Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn Crew Cab pickup that's factory certified. On the exterior of this Ram, we have power and heated door mirrors, fully automatic headlights, and ParkSense front and rear park assist with backup camera. Inside, you'll find comfortable cloth seating for 5, push to start technology, and remote start. The 8.4-inch touchscreen display has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2019 Ram 1500 has less than 19,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641 or visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.